Welcome to my CyberTech-VB channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Splash Pro artificial intelligence music generator in order to create your own excellent free music. First of all, go to your internet browser and in the search field type Splash Pro, hit enter and click on the first result, Splash Pro AI Music Generator, and then you'll go to the homepage of Splash Pro, and you can start generating your songs with artificial intelligence. You have to enter your text prompt to create your song. Usually, the tool will offer you examples of text prompts. In this case, laid back acoustic pop for happy Sunday morning, and you can play with some options here. Select the key, mode, major, minor, other, and fast or selected by AI. But usually they are pre-selected very well and you don't have to change them. So click on the try for free button, and when you do so, wow, you have to first sign up to the site in order to use it. So you can sign up with your Google account, Microsoft account, or just by entering your email address and selecting a password. Then you choose one of or both of those boxes and click sign up. I've already created my account with Splash Pro, and I'm not going to go through this process, but it's very simple. And once you enter the email address and password, the site will send you an email message with a clickable link to activate your account, and that's all. You will activate your account and you will start generating your songs. And let's create our first song by using the suggested text prompt, laid back acoustic pop for happy Sunday morning. Click on generate and the system will start generating the song. Usually it's a pretty fast process. It doesn't take very much time, and it will create 5 soundtracks, so you can have a choice. Here we are, the soundtracks are created already, and you can play each and every one of them to hear the music. The second one. Very nice, very nice. Third one. The fourth one. And the last one. I like the first one the most. So if you like one of the songs, you can make a full song, or you have several options here. Make a full song, the first one. Create more songs like this. Hide this sample, because those are only samples, not the full songs, and you can download it. In order to make a full song, you click on it here, and then select 1 minute. This will be the duration of the full song for the free account, and then you can even add fade out. This is selected already, You can select it or deselect it. Exact length 1 minute, and the fade out will be half a second. Also, a good thing is you can add vocals to this song, and you can add your own lyrics, or you can ask the system to generate lyrics for you. Let's do this, and the system will generate lyrics for us. It doesn't take very long, and here you go. The lyrics are ready, and you can generate the song with the lyrics together, to mix them together. And then the generation started, and it'll take only several seconds, and the song with the lyrics will be ready, and we'll start to play.
Wake up slow with the sun's gentle glow. Grab a cup of coffee, let the birds' songs flow. It's a laid-back Sunday morning, let's take it in. Embrace the calm before the week begins.
Very nice. And now you can download only the music or the mix with the lyrics. It'll be MP4 or MP3. You just click on one of them and you can download the songs. Now let's try to create a song with our own text prompt. Let's enter our text prompt, pop song with a nice melody, and click generate. And the system is working hard now to generate our pop song with nice melody. We'll see how it will sound. There we go. We have 5 samples. The first one, very nice melody. The second one, another nice one. Even better now, the third one. The fourth one. And the fifth one. Actually, this music generator generates very nice instrumental music, so you'll be very happy with it. So you have to know that there are several subscription plans. The first one is free, and you can use it to create a limited number of songs up to 60 seconds. If you create those songs unlimited up to 60 seconds, you can glue them together after that and make it longer and longer, as long as you want, the duration I mean. And you can have one singer, AI rapper, to add lyrics and vocals, generate and customize lyrics, standard quality MP3 downloads, lyric plus video, MP4 downloads, and you can share the songs. Also, you have paid subscriptions you can explore. If you like the free plan, then, and if you would like, then you can subscribe for the paid options. And that's all you can do for now. This is one of the excellent music generators, so give it a try, and I'm sure you'll be happy with the results. That's all for today's video. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, click on the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching, and have a nice and pleasant day.